There's this one lake that has one. Oh my God.
Yeah, I'll open the door up. Yep. Coming in. Ready? Ready? Got it at their end. We don't want to lose them now. Yep. Here we go again. All right, money shot. We have insertion.
Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some prime rib at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, this is part 3 of a 3-part series of how to prepare a prime rib, right? And it's real easy to do. Now you'll go back to part 1 and part 2 for a lot more details. Part 1 is the preparation of the prime rib, right? Part 2 is all about the side dishes we'll be serving. And this here is part 3, where we slice up 2 roasts, about 50 pounds, and serve it. This is what good living is all about. Woo. Take a look at that. Perfect. Now this will be wrapped, of course, for a couple hours to get up the temperature we want. We'll serve it at medium rare. That's the only way to serve prime rib, right? And if someone insists on well done, well, they're just at the wrong place. You know all about that, right? All right. Gotta get them rib juices, right? Because we're going to be making some gravy. Yeah. I'm telling you, this is going to be good. Woo.
That's a lot, too. We're going to be hooked.
You gotta have the gravy, right? With the prime rib. Now you can go to our website and of course get all the details about the quantities and the preparation. But here you just sit back, get yourself a jar of peanut butter, and a couple cold ones. Man, because you're gonna need it.
Yes.
Take a look at that.
We're gonna hunt these ribs like this.
There you go. Yeah.
You're gonna hunt these ribs like Grand Flintstone.
Don't go make you horny and get your Viagra all in one shot. The big blue pill. The big blue pill right there.
Oh, baby. Are you kidding me?
Bob, now I got you, Bob. Come on, get me that camera here. Bob, now I understand what you're trying to say about the butter. That's butter.
You gotta have the butter, right? The prime rib.
Fantastic. What a... Oh, yeah. Now you're talking.
These are called cowboy steaks, boys.
Those, baby. Oh, baby. Now you're talking. Oh, you got another one right here.
Got another one here. Don't worry about it.
We got more to... You kidding me? You're never going to eat all that.
No finger.
On. Yeah, you're at the end here. This one's a little bit of butter.
I'll eat that one.
You got a fillet knife. I need a fillet knife to get that one.
Let's cut this baby open.
Hold on, Bob. Get the juices. Bob, get the juices. That's
Perfect.
a succulents. That's called succulent. Hold on, succulent.
Lord have mercy.
Let it rest. Bob? Is that good, guys?
Oh, man. The butter and the garlic.
Thumbs up 20 times over.
Alright.
Look, just the ribs alone are worth.
Alright. So these are like beef ribs. These are clearly done.
Flintstone.
Now it's all about the ribs, right?
That's a money shot.
Pitmaster ribs.
Perfect seasoning on the outside. Out of that.
Take a look at that.
This is real meat. There you go. Yeah, nice kissing it. Yeah. Holy crap.
Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now I say, it's time to eat. Just need a few more slices. Like I said, we got 50 pounds of prime rib to heat up here. Oh yeah. Oh, I got that one. Damn.
Oh, that is perfect.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, you just gotta know how to cut it.
Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at that, look at that. Oh my God, the juice is just coming out. All right. By now, the Vegematics, health nut zombies, all right, kiss it. Food police, they've left.
Yeah, baby.
So it's all about us, barbecue pit boys, some prime rib.
Who wants that?
You can follow me, right? Now, if it's your first time here at the pit, why don't you head right over and sign up, start your own chapter. We've got over 15,000 chapters in 100 countries. And we'd be more than honored for you to sign up. Gotta have the gravy. Got those beans, got those taters. Got some horseradish sauce right there.
There you go.
Can't get this at your local drive-up now, can you? Nice. All right. Plenty of room for seconds, for thirds. Always make more than you can eat at one sitting, because those leftovers are real fine.
Plate clean and good.
That's the best. Mean man.
And there are boys. There are many pits, and there are lots of boys, but there is nothing like the barbecue pit boys.
Barbecue pit boys for life.
These are the B-rolls that put all the personalities together.
Now, if you don't get the thumbs up, well, you're on the wrong damn channel now, aren't you?
Kenny.
Barbecue Pit Boys Bar and
Toast.
Grill.
Cheers.
Nice. Down to the line.
Easy now.
Easy, Bob.
Good.
Beyond good.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.